Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing the recipe of chicken tikka. Wash and chop 2 chicken breasts. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 and half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, juice of half lime, 3 and half teaspoons of curd. Mix well. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mix. Little melted ghee. Mix. Chop 1 capsicum, 1 onion and 1 tomato. Add it to the chicken. Mix. Since this bowl is small, I am transferring it into a bigger bowl. Mix. Keep it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Insert the skewers in the chopped vegetables and chicken pieces. On medium flame, add ghee to a grill pan. Let it melt. Place the skewers. Let it cook. Cook all the sides by turning it cautiously. Apply clarified butter. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, switch off the flame. Chicken tikka is ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.